Today we're going to talk about the new product, the new R series. With the R series lineup, we're creating a new product line which is in the R family. Now you have an option of the 4-channel for the R amp or also the monoblock. The reason being we created this so that it can match the products that it comes with. For an example, the new R series speakers are very popular R series sub. With this amp, what's great about it is this new technology with a Sierra chip. That means you got the cleaner image, the soundstage, you can pinpoint the center image. Everything is placed correctly instead of being filtered out or just scattered. Now, another great thing about these amps is that this new technology for high-res capability. So as you can tell from the information, it's high-res capable, and it can do from 15 Hertz all the way to extends on the bench past 40K. So if you match that with our high-res speaker, you get the high-res experience. Because as you could tell, at the moment we're using Tidal, we're using premium Spotify. If you have a DAP, a digital audio player, you can utilize that. We're leaning towards the high-res technology. With the new R series components, we're using a new material for the cone, and it is called the CFRP, carbon fiber reinforced polymer. This new technology is very rigid, which means at high excursion, the cone it keeps its composure. In the center dome, they made it more stiff so that, again, reflecting back at high excursion, it keeps the cone's composure without giving up. It also utilizes the hammer surround. So at higher volume, you get more excursion. It can have bigger X mass, which means you get more mid bass, tighter mid bass.